Have you ever signed something without fully reading it? In crypto, that mistake can cost you everything. I've been in crypto for 7 years and have heard the same story over and over. Today in 2026, blind signing attacks are still stealing millions. Let's fix that right now. Transaction signing is how you approve moving your crypto on the blockchain. Think of it like signing a legal contract. You should always read every word first. But many wallets hide the details. That's blind signing. You see only a vague message like, "Confirm transaction," with no full breakdown. Clear signing shows you exactly what you're approving, including addresses, amounts, and permissions. Blind signing is like signing papers in a dark room. In 2025, we saw sophisticated attacks where malicious dApps tricked users into approving massive token approvals. One wrong click drained wallets worth hundreds of thousands. Even major exchanges had incidents that made headlines. The danger is real and growing. Here's how to sign safely every time. First, always prefer hardware wallets with excellent clear signing displays. Second, read every detail on your hardware wallet screen before confirming. Never trust the app alone. Third, use simulators to test complex transactions first. Fourth, limit approvals to what you actually need and revoke unused permissions regularly. And combine your own careful review with AI tools to decode tricky contract data. Here's your quick, actionable checklist. Step 1. Choose a wallet known for strong, clear signing. Step 2. Always review the full transaction details on the device screen itself. Step 3. Double-check recipient addresses character by character. Step 4. Use test transactions with small amounts first. Step 5. Enable any available transaction simulation features. Step 6. Use AI assistance to analyze contract interactions before approving. Do this consistently, and you'll dramatically reduce your risk. Key takeaways. Transaction signing is your final line of defense. Blind signing is never worth the convenience. Human intelligence plus artificial intelligence is greater than human intelligence alone. Clear signing plus careful human review beats everything. Stay vigilant. Your crypto depends on it. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more practical crypto security advice. Drop your biggest signing concern in the comments. I'll address the top ones in future videos. In an upcoming video, we'll do a full comparison of the best air-gapped wallets for 2026. Check the description for links to my hardware wallet guides. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.